another craft that I want to work today in this coming garden. So I want to make a pathway. I have already formwork. This is the pathway going to the shamrock table from this pathway here. So we will continue. In this pathway, I use another kind of leaves. So to make this pathwalk have decoration. So hard work, creativity, and imagination. So to make it possible, you need to work on it patiently, and you can achieve your craft. Done all pouring here in this side, going to the lovers coffee chair. So I need to continue here and then do a painting. Now it's time to paint the design of my pathway. So we need to start so that we can get the beautiful design of leaves. As I always said, this is my life in the island. I do a lot of creativity in my design. I do a lot of sorry po, hangout. I do a lot of craft, recycle materials, creativity in your craft. So in this pathway, I make a leaf as a design in the pot stick. To emphasize it, you need to paint so that you can see the beauty of the leaves. I make different kind of leaves. This one. So to all my subscriber, I love you from the bottom of my heart. Now I need to paint the leaves so that we can see and emphasize it in this pathway. To my family, to my husband who always supporting my video, thank you very much, and I love you from the bottom of my heart. To all my viewers, please subscribe and click the button, click the bell, hit the notification. So this is my new craft, my new design in the garden. Another one here. So once again, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Villa Julam Camotes Cebu. Like, share, hit the notification below, and bye bye. Have a good day.